What's up guys, this is a tutorial video on how to download a YouTube video for free. Open up your browser and search HD Downloader. Click on this link and go to the web page. On their homepage, you will get the option Download YouTube Downloader HD. Click on it. Select where you want to download the application installer. For me, downloads will do. You will then see the application installer in your downloads folder. The setup dialog box will open. Click I accept the agreement. Next. 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 Click install. The application will install. Deselect Visit YouTube Downloader HD website and click Finish. The YouTube Downloader application will now open. To use the application, paste your YouTube video link. Select your quality. Click Add to Download Queue and download. As you see, your video will start downloading. This might take a few minutes, depending on how long your YouTube video is. You will see this information box as soon as your video is successfully downloaded. You will then be able to see your downloaded video in your downloads folder. Thank you for watching. Drop a like and subscribe.